This is a review of the iClever FM transmitter model IC-F55. The item comes well packaged for shipping. The transmitter comes with a remote control with good features. The product is well made with a seamless one-piece body. Two USB ports provide 2.4 amps and 1 amp power. MP3 music can be played through either a USB or micro SD port. The included instructions are better than what I have seen from other inexpensive Chinese products. I tested the transmitter with an 8 GB Sony thumb drive.
It was against the law. I wasn't on a song. It was against the law. Spit all around every time my name gets mentioned. Papa said, now hurry, hurry, for goodness sake. Taylor's coming in so soon.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Does he love me? I wanna know. How can I tell if he loves me so?
5, 1, 8, 7.
Hello?
Hello, this is me.
Hello, this is a test. How is the audio quality on your end?
It is very difficult to hear, very low volume. Otherwise, quality okay.
Let me turn the volume up. Can you hear me now? Is it any better?
It's much better now.
Much better now.
Sound is slightly tinny, but clear.
Okay, thank you for the test.